Hi, this is Ray from soyachinchao.com and welcome back to another episode of ICYMI, where we bring you the latest tech news that mattered in case you missed it. The Redmi Note 7 is going on sale in Malaysia really soon. We know this because Xiaomi has dropped an official launch date for our local market, and the event will be taking place on the 19th of March 2019. But way ahead of its official launch in Malaysia, we have our hands on the Redmi Note 7 courtesy of Mobile to Go. So the one I have with me is the Redmi Note 7 that comes with a Snapdragon 660 processor, 6 gigs of RAM and also 64 gigs of storage. It also has 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera combo at the back. But there's another version of the Redmi Note 7 in India that comes with a lower 12 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera combo at the rear. So which one will it come to Malaysia? According to the Xiaomi global Twitter account, it seems like the 48 megapixel version will make it to Malaysia. So stay tuned for more updates. The top of the line GoPro Hero7 Black is now available in limited edition Dusk White. So the new color option is coming to Malaysia really soon, and if you can get extra freebies when you pre-order it on the 7th of March 2019. According to official GoPro Malaysia Facebook page, customers can get a GoPro Hero7 Black Dusk White edition, a white shorty and also a GoPro drawstring bag for 1,949 ringgit. The Oppo F11 and F11 Pro are officially launched and they are Oppo's latest selfie-centric smartphone. So the Oppo F11 Pro is now available for pre-orders in India and we can get it in Malaysia really soon. Okay, so let's talk about the Oppo F11 Pro. So the Oppo F11 Pro has a 6.5 Full HD Plus edge-to-edge display. That means there will be no notch, and it has a 60 megapixel pop-up selfie camera just like the ones we saw on the Vivo V15 Pro. It also has a MediaTek Helio P70 processor, 6 gigs of RAM and also 64 gigs of storage. It also comes with a 4000 mAh battery that charges via USB-C. In India, the Oppo F11 Pro is priced at 24,990 Indian rupees, which is around 1,449 ringgit. The lower spec Oppo F11 comes with a similar 6.5-inch display, but instead of a pop-up camera, it comes with a water drop notch which houses a 60 megapixel selfie camera. It also gets 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. It also has a larger 4020 mAh battery that charges via USB-C. In India, the Oppo F11 is priced at 19,990 Indian rupees, which is around 1,159 ringgit. The Proton X70 has quickly become the most popular SUV in Malaysia because during February, Proton has received 20,000 orders of this model. In the same month, Proton also announces there's 2,823 units of the X70 were registered. This includes the record-setting 1,000 units delivered to customers nationwide on the same day just before Chinese New Year, which is pretty impressive. That's all from me. If you want to learn more of what I covered just now, the links are in the description. So what do you think of ICYMI? We would like to hear from you too, so leave a comment down below. So as usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a new video. So do check out our latest video here, and also last episode of ICYMI here. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!